in short, I can say where I come from, it takes the whole village to raise a child. So the songs that I sing even now, they are songs that have been sung for a very, very long period of time. So it's not just information that was maybe acquired in a very short space of time. It is information that has been the songs, in the teaching sayings, they've been, kept together. They've been kind of like winning or winnowing, whereby you are left with the good stuff behind. So these are the songs that have survived. And what I can also say, what my brother said about being mama's boy. Yes, at times you can be mama's boy, but there are some benefits that comes with that. For me personally, my mother had 8 children. So also what it meant is that listening to my mother also, the songs that I grew up, agriculture, I didn't like these songs that I'm singing. My mother would lead the songs and I would be so upset and I'm like, oh. Yes, I would sing in the end, but I would be so bitter. Because I don't like to work, but I have to work. So my mother is so influential. Then a happy wife is a happy life. Were it not for my wife, I would not even be here. Because I met my wife, it's a long story again. I met my wife in Zimbabwe. That's how I came here through the music. And in the house tonight, I have also, to a mother that I am not related to, my Mkanana is in the house, represent. So back home, we don't say we don't use the word adopted. We just say your family is your family. So the family, the Mkanana family were there for my wedding. So that was huge again. So thank you, Pat. And thank you, Daniel, for playing with us. And thank you for your father. And thank you for Marty Jones. And everyone for recognizing this. I grew up getting awards in school. I would get first, most of the times I grew up getting awards. But now I didn't know what awards I was gonna get now. So even back home, I know they will freak out because the music, it wasn't really, I didn't get anything after college. In college, that's when I last got my award. But now at least with our music, I'm happy that we have something. Oh wow, so